Hey guys, so I'm about to make some soup. It's just basically me cleaning out my freezer, my pantry, getting ready to go to grocery shopping. So I'm gonna make this soup. I don't know if you guys remember, I had a Gungo rice and peas recipe video. I'll probably link that below if anyone want to watch it. I still had some more pigeon peas or Gungo peas, whatever you want to call it, and my smoked turkey wing. That's the smoked meat I had. If I had pigtails or smoked pigtails or pickled pig meat, whatever, you can use whatever smoked meat. I would have had it down in here, but I don't. Again, I'm cleaning out my fridge. So I'm going to pop this on the stove, bring it to a simmer until the peas and the turkey become super tender, and we're going to move on. Alright, so I have my water down in here. I'm also going to add some allspice berries or pimento seeds. And that's pretty much it. The turkey has a lot of sodium and flavor. For right now, I'm not adding any salt down in here whatsoever until this is completely cooked. Alright guys, so back here I have carrots, a potato, and some half-dead scallions. And I have some thyme. As you can see, they're starting to dry up and everything. Like I said, just use the herbs that are half dead and about to die on you in the refrigerator into your soup. No fuss, no muss. And this right here is just flour and salt. I'm going to add some water, make some dumplings, throw them in a pot. I made dumplings numerous of times on my channel. I'll link it below. But it's nothing to it, just flour, salt, and water. Alright guys, so I emptied out this Grace chicken soup mix in the soup. As usual, all ingredient measurements and ingredients will be in my description box. And now I'm going to add my scallion, my potato, and my carrots. I already made my dumplings and put them down in there. You're also going to add some hot sauce for some heat. I didn't have any scotch bonnets or habaneros, so I'm putting hot sauce because I need some heat. You're going to mix this up and allow it to simmer until the potatoes are nice and tender. So I'm just going to plate my soup up. I can't even tell y'all how good this looks. You know what's crazy? I've never in my life made Gungo peas soup. I don't even think my mother ever made it for us. We always had red pea soup or chicken soup, but not this one. So, yep. I guess it's fun that I actually made it for the first time. Ooh, those dumplings just look nice, and all the carrots and everything. I need to clean the side of this off and I'll taste it and let you guys know how it tastes. I already got my pictures. Let me get into this soup, honey. I know it's the springtime. No one's really making soup at this time. It's warming up outside, but I didn't do too bad for things that were just laying in my refrigerator. Oh, it's hot. Ooh, almost burnt my tongue. Oh, it's good, y'all. It's good. First of all, that smoked meat, I'm telling you, you don't even be needing extra sodium or salt in your soups when you use that smoked meat. As you will see in my collard green video, I have one coming up, I think in a few days. All you need is that smoked meat, no salt. This is good, y'all. I hope you guys give it a try. If you do take pictures, tag me, let me know what you think. I do repost them. Follow me on social media, subscribe to my channel, share my recipes, and I'll see y'all next time on my next video. Bye, guys.